think of raw American power, timeless utility, and modern-day luxury blended into one, the image that comes to mind is about to change forever. The 2026 GMC SAVANA Yukon is here, and it doesn't just step into the future. It roars into it with a presence so commanding that even the highway seems to bow in respect. This isn't just a van. It's not just a Yukon. It's the rebirth of a legend, engineered for those who demand durability, performance, and class without compromise. At Honest Auto Wheels, we're taking you right into the heart of this groundbreaking machine that's ready to redefine the standards for multi-purpose vehicles. The exterior is pure GMC DNA, muscular, purposeful, and sculpted with an aggressive front fascia that demands attention. A bold grille finished in chrome, flanked by high-intensity LED headlights with laser precision, announces its arrival before you even hear the deep, authoritative growl of its engine. The body lines are cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic than ever before, giving the SAVANA Yukon a modern silhouette without sacrificing the solid, imposing stance that made it iconic. Under the hood, GMC has outdone itself. You get the option of a next-generation 6.6L V8 with a staggering 420 horsepower, or a 3.0 Duramax turbo diesel delivering immense torque for heavy-duty hauling. Both powertrains are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless acceleration, whether you're merging onto a freeway or climbing a steep mountain road with a trailer in tow. The all-new intelligent AWD system adapts in real time, ensuring optimum grip and stability on any terrain, rain, snow, or desert heat. Step inside, and you enter a cabin that could rival a premium SUV high-grade. Leather seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions wrap around you, while real wood and brushed aluminum accents line the dash and door panels. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital 15-inch instrument cluster paired with a massive 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. GMC has even integrated an AI-powered assistant capable of voice-commanding climate settings, music, and even route planning. Space is another game-changer here, whether it's family road trips, luxury business transport, or heavy cargo duties. The SAVANA Yukon adapts effortlessly. The rear seating configuration can be customized. Captain chairs. Safety is uncompromised. GMC's Pro Safety Plus suite comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree HD camera system with trailer view. The reinforced chassis and upgraded suspension make sure you ride in confidence, no matter what lies ahead. At Honest Auto Wheels, we believe vehicles should inspire confidence and excitement every time you get behind the wheel. The 2026 GMC SAVANA Yukon delivers that and more. This isn't just transportation,